Hello guys, this is the third lesson for the Arabic alphabet. The third letter is Ta. In this lesson, you will learn how to pronounce the letter with the short and long vowels, and how to recognize the letter in a word, and finally how to write it correctly. Arabic letters can be hard to pronounce, but after learning these tricks, you will be able to pronounce the letter Ta perfectly. The letter Ta is pronounced from the top part of the tip of the tongue when it hits the roots of the upper incisor. Ta. Ta. Each letter in the Arabic language has 3 long vowels and 3 short vowels. It's so easy to learn. The short vowels are Ta, Tu, Ti, and the long vowels are Ta, Tu, Ti. Letters in the Arabic language change their form based on the location of the letter in the word and the letter connected to it. For example, here in تكلم, which means speak, it's in the beginning of the word. But in بيتنا, which means our house, it's in the middle of the word. In لعبت, which means I played, it's at the end of the word and it's connected to the letter before it. But in توت, which means blueberry, it's not connected to the letter before it. It's so easy to write the letter Ta. It's a plate, and at the top of it, 2 dots.